Details of Norman Beverly's case were outlined in front of a jury of 10 women and 4 men.
Norman Beverly did these things to a person you will be introduced to and you will hear from.
Tamarian said this happened. Tamarian said this happened. Tamarian said this happened. Later she changed her story and she said this really happened. Tamarian White's a liar.
Prior to trial, not much has been released about the details surrounding the attempted murder, kidnapping, and assault charges. Today, those were outlined.
Mr. Beverly came into the room and he said some very odd things.
Give me the gun, he kept saying, put it down. And I'm like, what are you talking about?
And he pointed that gun at her and he shot her. She, point blank, in the face.
The prosecution said the abuse didn't end there.
She stabbed him in the head. She'll tell you that too.
She stabbed him in his temple, she stabbed him in his bicep, she stabbed him in his deltoid, and then she sliced his finger.
Beverly's defense said it was him who was injured and the victim's statements were inconsistent.
Norman, the attempted murderer, without even putting on his shoes, got Tamarian into the car and took her to the hospital. He wanted to kill her, but he took her to the hospital to go get treatment, even though she didn't want to.
The victim, Tamarian White, took the stand to testify against her alleged assailant.
I don't know who that was sitting next to me. He just looked dark.
Beverly faces a total of 12 charges, including kidnapping, attempted murder, and felony assault. Trial is expected to continue into next week. From Fairbanks Superior Court, I'm Stephanie Woodard.